The Use tab in the Analysis window instantly searches and displays the word that you hold your mouse cursor over in the Browse window. To use the Use tab, first click on the Use tab to display it, then hold your mouse cursor over any word in the Browse window. You'll notice that the Use tab updates with an instant search for that word. For English versions, it searches the particular form of the word that you hold your mouse cursor over. For a Greek version, it searches for any instance of that word, no matter what form it appears in the text. For a Hebrew version, it uses the main lemma behind the word that you hold your mouse cursor over. By default, the Use tab is set to search within a book, but it can be set to search within a whole version as well. You can also click to freeze the list so it will not be updated when you run your mouse cursor over other words in the Browse window. There is also a right-click option to export the verse list to the search list if you wish to do particular work with this verse list.